Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif announces per-unit price reduction for both domestic and the industrial power consumers. Prime Minister made this announcement during a ceremony in Islamabad. More in this report by Ali Andaz.
Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has announced a major cutback in power tariffs to not only reduce burden on public, but to kickstart businesses and industries in the country. Addressing the ceremony in Islamabad to announce the package, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif extended special thanks to the task force responsible for bringing down the power prices in Pakistan.
घरेलू सार्फिन थे, उनके लिए बिजली की कीमत 48 रुपए 70 पैसे थी जून 2024 में, वो इस वक्त 45 रुपए 5 पैसे पे है फी यूनिट। आज घरेलू सार्फिन के लिए इस 3.5 रुपए की जो कमी हुई, मज़ीद 7 रुपए 41 पैसे फी यूनिट कमी हम उसका ऐलान कर रहे हैं और ये तमाम सार्फिन को अब बिजली औसतन 34 रुपए 37 फी यूनिट फराहम की जाएगी इंशाअल्लाह। जून 2024 में सनतों के लिए बिजली की कीमत पर यूनिट 58 रुपए 50 पैसे थी, जो बाद के महीनों में हमारी सबके मुश्तरका काविशों से अब तक 48 रुपए 19 पैसे हो चुकी है। आज उसमें मज़ीद 7 रुपए 59 पैसों की कमी का ऐलान कर रहा हूँ।
Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif also announced that power producing companies will be privatized and power distribution companies will not only be privatized but also provincialized. In his address, Shehbaz Sharif said the circular debt will be dealt with once and for all, and in the next 5 years it will stop circulating. He said rupees 3,696 billion will be saved after negotiations with IPPs. The Premier blamed high power tariffs in the country for stunting economic growth. Shehbaz Sharif extended gratitude to the nation for bearing the burden and sacrificing, and assured the public that he knows their pain and more relief will be coming in the coming days. He said the economic indicators are now stable, for which he also thanked Army Chief General Asim Munir for extending all cooperation. He also thanked PMLN President Nawaz Sharif for his guidance. This is Ali Andaz reporting for PTV World.